Electricity is essential on every construction site, powering tools and equipment to get the job done. But improper use of electrical systems can lead to serious hazards, including shocks, burns, and even fatalities. At OSHA Education School, our Electrical Safety for Construction course provides the knowledge and skills you need to identify hazards, prevent accidents, and protect lives. Identifying electrical hazards and their effects, safe use of cords, plugs, and portable equipment, importance of ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, inspection and maintenance best practices, employer and employee responsibilities. Our course begins with understanding common electrical hazards, burns, electrocution, and arc flashes, and the conditions that cause them. Knowing the risks is the first step to staying safe. Safety begins with smart habits. Inspect tools and cords before use, never carry tools by their cords, and always disconnect equipment before changing accessories. These simple steps can prevent serious accidents. Electrical safety is about more than compliance. It's about protecting lives. This course ensures you understand OSHA requirements, from equipment inspections to maintaining an Assured Equipment Grounding Conductor Program, or AEGCP. By completing this course, you'll reduce workplace risks, enhance your safety skills, and maintain compliance with OSHA standards. Plus, you'll earn a certificate upon completion, demonstrating your expertise in electrical safety for construction. Don't let electrical hazards compromise safety. Click the link in the description to enroll now.